Today we will be learning how to find the angle between two vectors. Okay, so first we have to start off with our angle between the two vectors formula. U times V equals the magnitude of U times the magnitude of V times cosine of theta. For this example, we will be using the vectors U, which is 6I minus j, and the vector V, which is 2I plus 6j. The first part of the formula we will be dealing with is U times V. First, we will take the vector u and find the first two terms, which are 6 and -1. We ignore the I and the j. So for vector v, that would be 2 and 5. For multiplying these two terms, we will take the first term from each set and multiply them together, 6 and 2, which is 12. And then the other two, -1 and 5, which is -5, and add these two together to get u times v. So we end up with 7. And we will rewrite our formula as 7 equals the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v times cosine of theta. Next up, we're going to deal with the other side of our formula, the u magnitude times v magnitude times cosine c. So first we will find the magnitude of u and the magnitude of v. The magnitude formula is the square root of x squared plus y squared equals your magnitude. So first we will be taking the two terms. X will be 6 for u. So 6 squared plus -1 squared for our y. Take the root of all of that, and you end up with 36 plus 1 equals the square root of 37. So now we will find the magnitude of the vector v. So same formula, 2 squared plus 5 squared, and take the square root of it, and you will end up with 4 plus 25. Okay, so here I have just rewritten our equation with the values that we have already found out before. And I'm going to start by doing basic algebra, dividing each side by the square root of 37. And then I will reset the equation. And my next step will be simplifying a little bit further. So I'm going to multiply 7 over the square root of 37 by 1, but in the form of square root of 37 over square root of 37. And that turns into 7 root 37 over 37. Okay, so now that I have 7 root 37 over 37, I'm going to need to simplify that. And I skip forward a little bit here, but I basically found that 7 root 37 over 37 simplified to 1.5, and then I used algebra to divide each side by the root of 39. And after I got that, I got 1.15 divided by 6.2 simplified, which was 0.8. After that, I took the reverse cosine of 0.18, and that gave me my answer, 79.3 degrees. And that's how you find the angle between two vectors.